Shabda or sound exists only when there is a motion. If there is no motion, then there is no Shabda. If there is a motion, then there is a Shabda. The question is how sound reduces the body fat. We all know that sound vibration starts from subtle state and moves on to the gross state. Our whole human body is composed of trillions of cells. If we can reverberate the nucleus of an atom of each cell, we can reverberate a molecule, then comes to macromolecule, then the whole content of the cell, then the surrounding cells, tissues, then the whole organs of the body, and the whole body can be reverberated. Now, you can ask me what is the sound which can reverberate the whole body? The answer is It is the universal divine root sound for all complex combination of sound. Interestingly, without making use of the tongue, we will be making these three sounds. If you utter these three sounds together, you get by placing your tongue in different position within the cavity of the mouth, you get to mix these three sounds and produces all the other sound. These are the basic sound the system produces naturally. If you utter in its correct method, different aspects of your body are activated and energized. You will notice if you utter the sound ah slowly till you breathe out completely, a reverberation starts just beneath the navel and spread right across the body, as this is the only place where all the 72,000 nadis meet and redistribute themselves. Nadis is also called as pathway of energy. This is the maintenance center of the body. Uttering the sound ah strengthens this. When pronounced in its correct method, it arouses and transforms every atom in the physical body, setting up new vibrations and conditions and awakening the sleeping power of the body. The Upanishad explains that the nadis penetrate the body from the sole of the feet to the crown of the head, carrying prana, the breath of life. When you utter the sound "oo" slowly till you breathe out completely, you will notice there is a soft part where the ribcage meets just beneath. The reverberation starts from this point and moves upward. When you utter the sound slowly till you breathe out completely. The reverberation starts from the pit of your throat and moves upward region. While uttering these three sounds, you need to do it slowly till you breathe out completely. And at this time, if you observe, your navel moves inward. You need to do this 7 times for ah, 7 times for oo, 7 times for mm. Since it is your own voice, reverberation effect can be seen or experienced across whole body. Interestingly, over a period of practice, your surroundings will feel the reverberation. Even when you talk, people who are sitting beside you will have the experience of reverberation. They also experience the same by placing their palm on your back, upward region of your shoulder. Uttering these sound has innumerable benefit. It is not the question of benefit. The whole universe has come from rest in and dissolves in is not religious trademark. It is the fundamental sound in the existence. It is said that Shiva can create whole new existence just by uttering these three arms. Sanskrit mantras are energy-based sound that vibrate throughout the body, and chanting these sacred sound of power can bring us to a higher level of consciousness. It is the synthesis of all the sounds of highly vibrating life forces like electrons, protons, and atoms. By deep concentration, once hear the arm at any time in any place. The human body is over 70% water, and since sound travels 5 times more efficiently through water than through air, it is an excellent conductor for sound and vibration. Man has devised a method to split the atom and release nuclear energy. In the same way, he can also release a greater quantum of energy within his own being. In ancient days, rishis used this knowledge of the principle of nature to boost the pranic energy in order to accelerate the evolution of human consciousness. The only difference between modern and ancient method of producing energy is that one utilizes external sources and other internal. If we chant this pranava mantra with prolonged intonation, will help in erasing the past sins and destroys all obstacles. By placing this, he attained Arambha Avastha. If you are suffering from any psychological disturbances like excessive fear, nightmares, or unstable mind or body, this will have a tremendous impact on you apart from fat reduction. Regarding the complete procedure of these practice, you can watch Sadhguru's Nada Yoga. It's more of experiential. We experienced it and hope you all experience the same. Kindly please share this video as many as possible and do subscribe to this channel, which will help us to convey the purpose of Daiva Dharana.